Now we talk upon discrimination, disadvantage and oppression of women. There is low literacy rate. How? That the literacy rate among women is only 54% if we compare it to the 76% of the men. The low proportion in higher paid jobs. Still the women are having very low proportion of the higher paid jobs. They are paid very less if we compare it to the men. Then they are paid less for the same job. Women are paid less than men even when both of them are doing exactly the same job. This is definitely discrimination. Then the preferences for the male child. Sex selective abortion led to a decline in the child sex ratio in the country to merely 933. All communities prefer still the male child upon this female child. Then the violence and crime against women is also a disadvantage. There are reports of various kinds of harassment, exploitation and violence against women. Urban areas have become particularly unsafe for women. Every day you must also be coming across upon the reports of several rape cases, several assaults and all in schools even. So that crime has also increased to a very high rate.